Hi folks, Sonia Ash here from Ash Design. Today I want to show you how to use our do-it-yourself printable templates. These are our Photoshop templates that we have created in an online space for you to edit without the need for Photoshop. So anyone can use these. They can be edited in your browser or on your mobile device. You will notice most of our designs will have a cutout image in the foreground. That will need to be done separately, and we've got some options for doing that without using Photoshop. I have a blog article that I did on ashdesign.com. If you go there, scroll down to the bottom, you'll find a blog post on our extraction services. There's about 8 of them that we went ahead and reviewed. They're all good. But I'm going to focus on remove.bg today because you can actually upload your photo and get an image back instantly. It doesn't always come out great, but it's absolutely worth a shot because more often than not, I get a really good extraction. If that doesn't work, there's other great companies here you can use. I really like dpixel Pro. You can get that back in under 12 hours, and it's very reasonable, maybe about $1 to have it done. So let's go ahead and let's click on remove.bg, and we'll show you the instant version. So we'll come over here, we'll upload an image. So you'll navigate to whatever image it is that you want as your foreground image. And we'll upload it here, and it'll basically examine your image. And here we go, instantly it has removed the background from it. And you can see it really did a very nice job. There are times when you might need to edit some things, maybe to paint some things out, or maybe paint in back some things. You can just click on the edit button and follow the instructions to do that. It's really pretty straightforward. Very important though, you will have 2 options here for downloading. One is a preview image. That's a very small image. Now you can use that, but I would recommend it on much smaller compositions. If we're doing sports posters, you're going to want to do your full image. Anything 8 by 10 and above, you're definitely going to want to do the full image. So get that downloaded, and then we'll head over to Cordial to start editing. Now you'll receive an email link. You'll just click on it, and it will bring you to your order. There are some instructions here you can click on for editing text and editing photos, but I'm going to walk you through that right now. So you'll notice in this particular order, we have 3 sizes we can choose from. We're going to work on this 20 by 30 template right now. So basically what all you need to do is click on the image that you want to edit, and I'm going to click on that. You can see a small thumbnail come up over here. And we're going to replace the image. Now, to select that on your phone, you just simply double tap, and then you choose Replace Image, and you just navigate to the image that you want to put in there, and then click Save. So that's going to go ahead and that's going to upload it into your template here, and you're going to follow this along for all 3 of these background images. So we're going to give that just a minute to upload, and here we have it. Now this is a very important part. Many people try to squeeze their images into the space. I strongly recommend not doing that. You'll want to grab any of the 4 corners here to fit your image in. Never grab the sides or the bottom because you're going to distort your image. So this will scale proportionally. You're always better off to crop your image instead of squeezing it in to fit it in. It will always look better. So we'll put that in there, and yes, it's cropped, but we have a perfectly scaled version. So then let's go to our next one. And again, you can see the image that we're replacing because we have the small thumbnail here. Click here to browse. We'll bring our image in, and we'll let that upload. This one's a pretty good size the way it is, so I'm just going to sort of move it around in here so that it fits the way I want it to. And then let's grab the last one in the background over here. Go ahead and replace. And we'll add our third image. And go ahead and upload. And again, we're going to grab just one of the four corners to size that proportionally. And then grab her and move her inside. I think that looks pretty good right there. And now we're going to click on our foreground image. And same thing, we're going to navigate over to that cutout image that we just downloaded. And let that upload. All right. And again, grabbing one of the four corners. This one we're going to have to stretch up quite a bit. And just, size it to fit where you'd like. I think that looks pretty good. We're going to drag it down just so that it's in the foreground. I kind of want to cover up those skates on the bottom just because we really don't have much of a shadow down there. And I think cutting them off is probably our best bet. So that looks pretty good right there. And so what's left now is editing your text. So we can click on our text layer, and in your text box, just go ahead and just type right over. And then just click on the next text box you would like to edit. Oops, here we go. I'm clicking all around here. Okay. Oh, I'm really clicking all around here. There we go. And again, just type right over the text. And you are, of course, free to move that text around anywhere you would like. But that's basically the gist of it. Now, once you're satisfied with that, all you need to do is save your changes over here. And we'll go ahead and just sort of follow the prompts for that. And then what you're going to want to do is approve your proof. So go ahead and click on that. And again, it'll ask you if you're sure that this is what you want. This is, of course, this is your final print. So yes, we're sure we like this. Everything is spelled correctly, most importantly. And then it's going to give you options for downloading it. So you can just follow those prompts, and then you'll have your downloadable file that you are free to have printed at the lab of your choice. And that's it. Thank you.